Well, just in conclusion, I want to talk to you a little bit about statistical packages for the social sciences, a software known as SPSS. This software is owned by IBM and it's available for PCs and Apples. I use an Apple. I love Apple, and I have I have the IBM SPSS on my computer. I purchased a discounted faculty version, which is the same software you get in the discounted student version, except the discounted student version is about $85, $90 for a year, and the discounted faculty version is $500 for a year. I don't know why. Maybe I need to go back to school and get that. It is an annual license, and if you get it, the premium pack is what is suggested, because it has all of the things in it. And you can obtain this, look at this software at www.ibm.com/SPSS. Whether you buy SPSS or not is your call. I do encourage you, though, to think about investing in yourself. If you choose to learn SPSS, it will help you a lot in all of the things that you may be doing in business or you may be doing in your discipline of study. SPSS is powerful, and I'm kind of a SPSS ninja. I love, or maybe I should say shinobi, that's the actual term, not ninja, but, and it means secrecy. But I love SPSS, and I have always in my career invested in myself. You know, $100 is $100. It's a lot of money. But if you get an annual license and you learn how to use a piece of software, it will help you. Now, in this course, what we're going to do is you can do a lot of the things with Excel, but you come to a place that you can't do them with Excel nearly as easy as you can do them with SPSS. And I'm going to show you what SPSS does. I may run the values for you so that you can interpret them. When I took statistics, and that was a long time ago, I never forget, I made a C on my first test, and that was with the square root curve. That means if you want to know what I made on the test, put in 0.72 and multiply it by 0.72. But those old teachers believed that you had to do everything by hand. They even had a teacher that wanted you to memorize tables and all this nonsense. We live in the age of information. We live in the age of technology. I believe that you need to learn how to use software. You need to learn how to use technology so that you can really walk and talk with this stuff. You can rule with power. I know two of my old teachers just rolled over in their grave because they gave me a master's degree and did my comprehensives. I know, and they asked me all sorts of questions, but they thought everything had to be done by hand. You don't do everything by hand anymore. And I think you will find it much easier. You use Excel, and if you have SPSS, it will be really neat because you just enter the data into it, and it tell it what you want it to do, and it'll give you the standard deviation and the variance and the mean, and it will give you skewness and kurtosis and all sorts of different things that you just have to learn to use. Well, I want to wish you the best. You're climbing a ladder. You've worked hard. The first module you're going to get through, and I'll give you a little bit of maybe a little bit of discussion of how to take values using Excel and maybe even how to use them doing SPSS. We will have a good journey in this class. You made the first wrong. You have done well. You have survived. I will see you in another video shortly, and forgive my lisp. 7 root canals and gum surgery has been wild. I get my bridges on Wednesday in 4 more days, and I will be celebrating. Thank you.